But just like that, when you assume anything about yourself, that you're worthless, that you're superior, that you're incapable, etc., you are also creating huge existential consequences. Because you have to exist in an experience and a world in which that's true of you. And remember, I'm saying that when you're worthless, it's like a cap on the thermos here. It's not just a psychological thing you're thinking about or a trauma you have that you got to get over or something. You just live that it is just true of you. And you might do everything to prove that it's not true, including ignoring it. See? Or you might act it out, whatever, see? But you still live in relationship to it. You got it? See? Now, is this worth anything? You can say it's worth, it's a paperweight. Say it's a paperweight. It's a piece of marble. See? Marble has some worth to it, right? This, not probably a great deal. But you might be able to get a nickel. Mostly if somebody wanted a paperweight. You know. See, or you could get it as a memorabilia of Peter Ralston's fighting in the world tournament. See, that's where it comes from. See, read it, yeah. Read it and weep. I hope you can, because I can't. But anyway, see, so, and anybody gives a shit about Ralston and the world tournament, hey, they might pay $1 for this. I got this thing from Ralston. When I die, it'll probably be worth more, so you should want to save up, you know. Keep it in a safe deposit box. See, it always bugs me, they got the thing off center. They glued it off center. It's like, come on, guys, come on. You got no respect. Anyway, they gave me all sorts of shit. In any case, I don't know why. I don't know why do they give you paperweights. They've got medals and not statues. What are they called? Trophies. Trophies and pieces of paper and stuff. Anyway, so is this worth anything? Is this worth anything? Does this have worth to it? Now you can say, I want you to get this, right? I want you to get it. Right? It is only worthwhile because you say so. Right? The only worth this has is what you give it. It doesn't have any worth over here. Its existence doesn't have any worth. See, not over here. See, how valuable is it? So if you say, well, this is 2 cents worth of marble, it's probably more than 2 cents, marble. I don't know how much marble goes on the open market these days. See, this times my sink. I got a marble sink in the bathroom. How much that cost? Okay, anyway, it's not much. But see, that's a value we put on it. Okay? And you could say, it's worthless. It's worthless. It doesn't make anything. There are things you call worthless, like this, for example. Right? You're not going to consider that as any real worth at all, are you? You're not going to pay any money for it, are you? Probably what you're going to do is throw it away. Why? Well, because it's worthless. It's not even a note anymore. I can't do anything with it. It just clogs the rug, the carpet. Or maybe you could divine stuff from it. Read into it. Ah, yes, your future. You're going to meet a tall, dark stranger. Whatever. You could do that. Yeah. And give it worth, right? See, but in any case, you see, so you got something worthless. You throw it away. has no value. See, and if you can get that, this has no value. There's no value here. Its existence does not have value. Its existence does not have value. It has no value. It's not worthwhile. It's not worth less. It exists, period. It's not worthwhile. It's not worth less. It's not capable. It's not incapable. It's not embarrassed. It's not ashamed. It's not superior. It's not inferior. What other stuff people have going on? You see what I'm saying? You are. See, and what I want you to get is that you're just like this. Maybe a little prettier, but see, you're just like this. See? You cannot have, your existence cannot have worth. It cannot be worthless. You see? It's not possible except that you say it is. If you get that, that's a good get. If you hear that, oh, okay, hear it. See, and then when you hear it, like it's just a belief, unless you get it right. See, it's just a belief. Okay, yeah, I believe him. I believe. I see what he's saying. I see. Yeah, it exists and it can't be worthless and stuff like that. And see, so I can't be worthless at all. Well, I can't be worthless at all. See, and we haven't really gone anywhere. You understand? So all you're doing is making an assertion intellectually. You see? It becomes a belief. I can't be worthless. I must be worthwhile. No. You can't be worthwhile either. Worth is irrelevant to your existence. Existence just is.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.